Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord 5 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's begin with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen and then tap on the settings icon in the upper panel. Now let's tap on languages and tap on add keyboard. So here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose, and as you can see there is plenty of them. So I highly recommend to simply tap on search language and enter the name of the language you'd like to apply. After finding, just tap on it. And now we can choose the keyboard layout, so just mark the option which you'd like to use and tap on done. So here we've got our new language added, and before I'll show you how to remove the language, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So as you can see here we've got this globe icon highlighted, thanks to which we can change the keyboard layout. So now we've got English, and after tapping on it we've got the order one in my case. Moreover, the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using. So to remove the language, we have to open the settings again, tap on the languages and tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now let's mark the language which you'd like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.